Welcome to Hypermotive. Fresh into stock, we have this 2016 66 plate Abarth 595, finished in Modena Yellow. It's got the Abarth sticker kit, an Abarth front grille, nice black colour wheels with the yellow Abarth centre caps. This is the 1.4 T-Jet in Turismo spec. Twin exhausts, it's got the Scorpion sticker on the back. It's a 165 horsepower version. Inside it has a full black leather, Abarth small seats. Air conditioning, rev counter. The car has done just over 50,000 miles. Also has the Fit 500 navigation module. Got Bluetooth, auxiliary, USB, multi-function steering wheel. It's got the alloy pedals. Got 2 keys with it as well. Really a chance to own something a bit special. They don't have many of these in the Modena Yellow, but really looks fantastic. If you have any questions, if you want to make an appointment to come look at the car, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Or you can email me, sales@hypermotive.co.uk.